Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Hustle Land Works. My name is Kyle, and I hope you guys are staying nice and warm and dry today, because it is not nice and warm and dry outside today. It's starting to sprinkle just a little bit today. We're supposed to get just a little bit of rain, but no, I just wanted to come on here and kind of give y'all a little bit of introduction to this video, and I want y'all to understand, like, this whole filming process, I was feeling just a little bit under the weather, and because of that, there's just not a whole lot of talking points on it, and I do apologize for that. We're going to start with we're going to get floorboards down. We're going to get the rough end on the plumbing done, and we're going to go all the way through until we get the concrete poured. And actually yesterday, we went out there yesterday and got the floorboards off, so we're actually ready now for the framers to come out. I also want to say thank you guys, man. Y'all are awesome, and I really appreciate y'all's support. We couldn't be out here doing this without y'all. If y'all want to support us just a little bit more, hit the like button and the subscribe button. It's free for you guys, and it helps us out a tremendous amount. Again, thank you, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Grab y'all's popcorn and sit back, relax, and enjoy. We'll see y'all next time. Well, good morning, afternoon, or evening, folks. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Hustle Land Works. My name is Kyle, and it is officially time to start doing some concrete. Waiting on the concrete guys to get out here. They should be here any minute now. We got a little bit of unexpected rain yesterday. Not much, but you can tell it's a little bit tacky out here now. Not too bad. It's not going to hinder us any to get these floorboards down. But we're going to get some floorboards down today and get ready to get some concrete poured in the next week or so. So let's get to work, let's get going. We're excited about it, so let's rock and roll. All right, we got the floorboards down. That actually went pretty quick, a lot faster than I thought it was gonna go. We got, I think, the best concrete guys in the business on our team. So, but yeah, look, we got the floorboards down. This is gonna be the porch right here. Walking into the house, front door's gonna be there. back porch here, and it's pretty much the same layout as the other house. But you know, as soon as we get the concrete laid and some walls built up, you'll be able to see a little bit more about what it's going to look like. So next step we got is we're going to get the plumber out here to do his rough in, and then once that happens, it's going to be slab time. So we're going to pour that slab down and get rocking and rolling with that. So, but yep, we're going to wait for the plumber and get on rocking and rolling with it. So. Good morning, everybody, and I hope everybody had a good holiday season, a good Christmas and New Year's and all that good stuff, and had some good lunches and dinners. I know we did over here at Hudson Landworks. So but no, we're back out at this house project, getting ready to get concrete poured this week. So we got the concrete guys out here now and getting everything set up to get concrete down. So let's get rocking and rolling, huh?